Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Augustus Philip, and if you are a self-publisher on Amazon KDP, this video is for you. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any helpful update like this. Today I want to talk about something very important: how to avoid getting your Amazon KDP account terminated. There are many reasons Amazon might shut down a KDP account, but in this video I'm focusing on one key reason: inaccurate or incomplete information during account setup. Recently, Amazon has been cracking down hard on this. They have been terminating accounts left and right. So if you've already experienced this, I really feel for you. I know how much time and effort goes into writing and publishing books. Waking up to a termination email can be devastating, it's discouraging and heartbreaking. But I want to help you avoid this situation. Here is what's happening. Since Amazon removed the automatic 30% withholding tax for some countries, a lot of people started editing their tax information to try and qualify for zero tax, even if they weren't from those countries. This created a pattern in Amazon's system, and now they are investigating and removing accounts that look suspicious or dishonest. So, how do you avoid this? Be honest when setting up your account. If you are not from a country with 0% withholding tax, don't try to claim that you are. It's better to pay the tax than to lose your entire account. Make sure your tax identification number (TIN) is correct. Get it from your federal government. Don't fake it. For Nigerian publishers, I've added the link to apply for your TIN in the description of this video. If you also need assistance on how to go about this, please, there's a link you need to click to join my community, my Telegram community, for further assistance. Again, use your correct address. Some people are using foreign addresses while verifying their ID with Nigerian documents like the NIN card. That mismatch is a red flag to Amazon. If your account is still active, now is the time to review and correct your information. Don't wait until it's too late. Take this seriously so you can keep your KDP journey running smoothly. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you stay safe on KDP and avoid account termination. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other KDP publishers, and again, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep publishing.